Stop scrolling, choose your house. We have Gryffindor on red, Ravenclaw on blue, Slytherin on green, Hufflepuff on yellow. Comment which house is winning. Gryffindor with the early lead, followed by Slytherin. Hufflepuff catching up. Gryffindor still leading the way. Last place house will be eliminated. Gryffindor still with the lead. Are they going to be taking first? Hufflepuff catching up to them in second. Slytherin in third. And Ravenclaw is eliminated from round one. Round two. Hufflepuff with the early lead. Who's going to get down the hill first? Hufflepuff and Gryffindor neck and neck. Hufflepuff with the early lead still. Slytherin following behind. Gryffindor taking a lead again. Gryffindor in first place. Slytherin is eliminated and Hufflepuff in second. Championship round. Gryffindor versus Hufflepuff. Comment if you made it this far. Hufflepuff with the early lead. Can they take home the Triwizard Cup? Hufflepuff leaving Gryffindor in the trail. Hufflepuff takes the win.